Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we finished up our little deck roof, open covering, some 29 gauge master rib for making metal, custom bent sidewall metal. All that tied in the way it should. Huge improvement over what was here. I'll take you down below. One piece left over. Did a 3-inch overhang. Keep a little more of the rain out. Use the old railing. And this is what we've got. Just had to keep the little bay window area less complicated. Nice, simple structure. It gives this deck a whole lot more usability. Everything the way it should be. If we can help you out with your outdoor projects, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.